Yeah.
Hey, I'll take a picture.
Yeah,
One
yes.
second. One second.
Yes. Hey people, so this is called the Pesto Besto. And Ayush, what's your opinion of the food here?
It's very nice. People
Really?
should come here.
Yes, Jamie's Pizzeria. It's a very underrated place. Yeah, I mean, we're genuinely enjoying the food. It's, you know. So yes, Ayush, take a bite of it and tell us how it tastes. Yeah, thank you. Oh, this is authentic. It would be as authentic as, oh, that is something else that has come.
Another pizza. You just
My God, those so I do
This
know.
one's very nice.
Yeah, come.
Thank you. This is Ayush pizza.
My God. Okay, tomato. This is tomato blast or something.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is nice. I'm just taking this.
Okay, put that in your plate, hero.
Hey, chili flakes. Ask for ketchup.
Can't eat. Yes, yes, there
Ketchup
is.
लाते हैं ketchup.
Okay. This is good. So that means original Chinese something. Italian pizza would probably taste like this. Why are you putting both in my plate? Okay, so you eat both. Okay. Okay. It's nice. Okay, yeah, but oh, this is.